Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create light to dark video editing using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor, and then I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project, and we can choose video based since we want to edit video. And I'm going to click on save. Alright, and then we can choose a video we want to edit. I'm going to go to the video section, and for example, I'm going to choose a video from my gallery album. I'm going to choose video from this download album, and I'm going to select this video. I'm going to click on next to import this video to my VN project. Okay, and I'm going to make the video shorter. And wait guys, I'm going to remove the ending. Okay, and then I'm going to split my video. I'm going to split it right here. So I'm going to click on the split option. And then it's time to create light to dark effect. I'm going to make this part darker. I'm going to create night effect for this clip. So I'm gonna go to the adjustment. I'm going to click on filter, and then we can go to the adjust, and to make it darker I'm going to reduce the exposure like this, and we can go to the contrast and then reduce the contrast. And then for the brightness, of course, we need to reduce the brightness. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to the hue as well. Let's reduce the hue. Okay, and I'm gonna go to the HSL and go to the darker part for the lightness, and I'm going to play around with the hue. Okay, I think it's done, and then I'm going to click on the check mark, and you can see the before and after, right? Okay, and I'm going to apply transition to this video. I'm going to click on the transition menu, and then I'm going to select the dissolve transition, dissolve 1 or dissolve 2. I think I'm gonna go with dissolve 1. Okay, and this is the result. Okay, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create light to dark video editing on VN. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.